what are some good core exercises? Now, this is great because so many people know, well, I need to have a strong core, but I actually have a lot of people who don't really know what the core is. And when we talk about core, we're really talking about your abdominal muscles. And those are the muscles that are going to wrap around from basically your sides of your back all the way around the front. If you have hypermobility, sit-ups and crunches not going to work well for you. And even if you use good form, and I hear it all the time, like, I'm really trying to hold my position good. The problem is the force through your neck and the force in your low back, you get this shear force which tends to really aggravate back and neck issues. So I'm going to show you a couple of things today on how to do good core exercises, and they're really all lying down. So I'm going to use my table here, and lying down, you're going to start with trying to pull that belly button in toward your spine. So it's pulling in. It's not up, it's pulling straight in. Now, when you have your back lightly flattened and pressed into the ground, the table, you're going to hold that position and try and pick up one foot, put it back down, try and pick up the other one. Now, once you can do this, you're going to start working on straightening out your legs this way, and then moving into progression where you have both feet up. Now, if your back starts to arch up off the table, that's a problem. If you're getting back pain, that's a problem. You shouldn't really feel your back much at all. You should feel your abs working, and you shouldn't feel your neck and your shoulders straining. And especially in the beginning, a lot of times it's an ongoing battle to get the right muscles to fire, to get the ones that you don't want to stay out of the way, and to gradually build those up. Now from there, you can start working into stretching one foot out at a time. And again, you're using your legs as weight to build up those core muscles. And you only go as far as what you can control. So what you can hold and take your back out of. Your legs should be moving, but not the rest of you. So if you're getting rocking, or if your back is arching, you want to use your hands to kind of guide you and help give you feedback on where you're at. Now from here, you can do both legs, and I could really stand you to work on some of that, but you can progress going forward and build your core up that way. And notice at no point am I doing crunches. Now, that's a good one to start with, and wherever you're at in that progression, that's where you want to stay, and it is a progression. So as you get stronger, you work and move that forward.